Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am so happy you are here to learn English with me today. We are going to learn some very useful idioms for everyday conversations. Idioms are fun and make your English sound friendly and natural. They are short phrases, but their meanings are special. Listen carefully and try to repeat after me. Break the ice means to start talking when you feel shy or nervous. For example, you meet a new student and you smile and ask, "Where are you from?" That breaks the ice. If you tell a funny story at a meeting, you break the ice too. Sometimes giving a compliment helps to break the ice. Asking simple questions also works. Breaking the ice helps everyone feel better. Piece of cake means something is very easy to do. For example, if you can finish your math homework in 5 minutes, you say it was a piece of cake. Helping your little brother with his homework can be a piece of cake. Making a sandwich is usually a piece of cake. When you practice English every day, speaking becomes a piece of cake. It feels easy and fun. Hit the books means to study very hard for school or exams. For example, if you have a history test tomorrow, you should hit the books tonight. Before a big exam, you hit the books all weekend. When you go to the library to study, you are hitting the books. It shows you are serious about learning. Hard work and hitting the books bring good results. Under the weather means feeling a little sick or tired. For example, if you wake up with a headache, you can say you're under the weather. If you have a sore throat, you can tell your teacher you feel under the weather. Sometimes, if you feel very tired and weak, you're under the weather. It is a soft and polite way to talk about feeling bad. People will understand you. Spill the beans means to tell a secret by mistake. For example, if there is a surprise party and you tell your friend about it, you spill the beans. If someone asks, "What did you buy for her birthday?" and you answer too soon, you spill the beans. Children often spill the beans without knowing. Even adults sometimes spill the beans at work or at home. Try to keep secrets safe. Once in a blue moon means something happens very rarely, almost never. For example, maybe you eat ice cream once in a blue moon. If your uncle visits only once every few years, you can say he comes once in a blue moon. Sometimes people travel to another country once in a blue moon. Special things that do not happen often are once in a blue moon. It is a lovely expression. Cost an arm and a leg means something is very expensive to buy. For example, a new car can cost an arm and a leg. A big house in the city also costs an arm and a leg. Sometimes a small thing, like a designer bag, costs an arm and a leg too. If you travel first class, it may cost an arm and a leg. Use this idiom when you talk about high prices and expensive things. Bite the bullet means to do something hard or unpleasant, even when you do not want to. For example, if you are afraid of getting a tooth pulled, you bite the bullet and go to the dentist. If you need to tell your boss some bad news, you bite the bullet and do it. When you pay a big bill, you bite the bullet and pay it. Biting the bullet shows you are brave and strong. Great work today, everyone. You learned many everyday English idioms with me. Idioms are important because they make your conversations interesting. Try to use one or two idioms when you talk in English today. Which idiom was your favorite? Please tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more easy English lessons.